Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans? And where the heck are the Albans? We are at home and we are opening our advent calendars. And we've had 2 sock calendars in a row, so we thought we'd do just something a little different. So on the 4th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me Hot Wheels Advent Calendar! Woo! So I'm trying to figure out the Hot Wheels calendar because on the back it does have things to open, but actually on the inside it's got like little racetracks and like first place, second place, third place, and some parking spots. And on the inside, so now you can see it on the right side up. And then on the inside, here's the actual calendar with the numbers. So we'll open these first, and then we'll open up the back side and see what's going on. Okay? Okay, so number 1. Here we go. Hopefully these don't take fingers of steel. It doesn't look like it. Oh, look at that. Got a fancy race car. Wow. Number 2. Where is number 2? These are all over the place. These are the ones Emerson likes where you got to hunt for them. Okay, number 2. We got a sled with wheels. So
That's what
a
every
sled with
sled
wheels.
means.
Look at that. Okay, number 3. Number 3 is down here in the corner. Oh, another car. Vivi, I need small hands. Can you get that out of there? Thank you. Look at that thing. Wow. All right. There's another car. Number 4. Right here. Ooh, it's a big one.
It's a block of cheese.
It's a block of cheese. It's a ramp. Oh, boy.
I like a block of cheese better.
All right, what are we on? Number 5. Where is number 5? I'm looking for number 5. Number 5. It's a little baby one.
What is a divot? Oh, it is a...
It's a cone. It's a little cone.
This is very reminiscent of the play school one we did last year.
Yeah. Number 6. There's number 6. Is it? Yeah. Oh, another car. The small hands. Thank you.
Oh, I like that car.
Oh, yeah. It's got soccer balls all over it.
Oh, I thought they were leopard print.
That was Dalmatian.
All right. Number 7.
I like them. I like that they're Dalmatian. Yeah,
It's Dalmatian.
it's Dalmatian.
We got
Is that a spider?
a twig. No, I don't know what this is. Let's see what this is.
It's a reindeer.
It's a
Look
reindeer.
with a sled.
All right, number 8. Number 8, number 8. Where you at? Number 8. Number 8 is hiding from me. No, right there in front of me. This one's going to be a car. I just know it. Yeah,
Ooh, small fingers.
I got this one, I think. I did get that one. Ooh, look at that one. That was nice. Very cool. All right. All right, number 9. Number 9. We got...
That thing.
A snow shovel.
Is it? Yes, it is. It's like a plow. So you could probably put a plow on the front of one of the cars. Okay, number 10. Look what Becky did. Number 10. We got another plow? Or no?
Skis.
Oh, it's skis.
For the sled?
Nope.
No,
Sled's on
for-
wheels.
You can turn one of the cars into like a snowmobile. Like this one, see? See the big one on the thing and it's got skis on it? All right, what are we on, number 11? Number 11.
11.
We got a road construction thing. Yes, it says workshop parking only. Cool. Becky's just having too much fun over here. Okay, number 12. Number 12. All right, there's number 12. Look at that car. All right, Smith Small Fingers. Yeah, you think you're gonna do
I
it.
said I wanted to do it. I didn't say I could do it.
Emerson to the rescue. Nope, Vivian to the rescue.
Nope.
Oh, wait,
Holy
no. No,
smokes.
I got this.
Stuck.
I got this.
What's it on your hand?
Did it.
Good job, Viv.
Someone sent
Okay, there is another car. This one's pretty cool, man. It's
That
like a
one's
hot rod.
sparkly.
Ooh, and it is sparkly. Look at that. Hope you guys can see that sparkle. That's awesome. Okay, number 13. It's a tiny one. Em, you want to get that out of there? It looks like some tires stacked up or something.
They're Luigi's.
It's a Luigi's. Yeah, it's exactly what it is. It's some tires set up. All right. And number 14. Where are you, 14? Right there. Hiding right in plain sight. We got another reindeer.
Oh, there should be 8 tiny.
8 tiny reindeer.
Yeah.
We got 2. All right, number 15 up in the corner. Em, you want to poke the hole for me? There we go. We've got another accessory. I don't know what it's for, but we'll figure it out. Hi. Oh my gosh. Oh, the reindeer go in it. Look at that.
And the car goes in.
Maybe they do, or maybe they don't. I don't know. We'll figure it out.
I'm wrong.
Okay, number 16. Where's my eye helpers? 16, 16, 16. This one's going to be a car. Just got a feeling. Yes. You want to get it out now? Okay, I just found my favorite car. Look at that thing. Jet rockets. All right,
17.
number 17. We got
Happy holidays.
Happy Holiday tires. Look at that. All right, cool. Number 18, right here. Nope. This is why this is for kids, not for.
It's a
It's a snowman.
It's a Santa or a snowman, yeah.
It's an elf, I think.
Yeah, maybe it is an elf.
easy.
It's got a silver ear and
I don't
Yeah,
do this for
all right.
reindeer.
number 19.
I tried that way.
There.
Like that.
It doesn't.
Oh, it's a Christmas tree. With
Oh, Christmas.
Oh, so you can
What?
put it on top of a car.
you can put it on top of the car. Yes. Awesome. All right, number 20. Right here. It's a car. I just know it. Ooh. Look at that. It's like a souped up El Camino.
Ooh.
That's
Chi-Chi would have
nice.
liked that one.
Yeah. I'm going to sneeze. I just know it. Number 21. You ever get that feeling like you're going to sneeze, but you just can't?
Bless you.
You just ruined it, Becky.
I know.
Got some logs. Are those Yule logs? I don't know. Okay, number 22. got a gas pump with a Santa hat on. That's cute. All right. Number 23.
I have a snowman.
Vivi? Just letting you know, you need small fingers for this one. It is a snowman. Look at him. Isn't he cute? All right. That was, what was that? 23? 24. We only got 2 left. 24. A car.
I think it only goes up to 24.
And there is a car. This one's kind of cool too. Look at that. And does it? Does it only go up to 24?
Yeah.
I think so. What does the cover say? 24 days. So now let's turn this over and see what all this is about. Look at the. I think you can just, if you follow the line carefully, it might be like a little thing to set up. You know what I mean? So might need a knife to.
Oh.
cut. Look at that. So we just got to be careful about it. Em, did you?
No, not.
It's basically just the
Oh, no.
legs.
Now you did.
Yeah, that's okay. It's okay.
It's
All right.
the easel part.
Yeah, it's the legs to keep this thing propped up. So I'll build this part and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, so here's what it is. You fold these two up and then you push this one up and then it turns into a stand. So when you open your advent calendar, why isn't this opening? There we go. So when you open your advent calendar, it's a little stand in the back like that. All right. Let's set this puppy up. Okay, and here is the finished product with all of our things set up. Look at that. Isn't that great? This guy with the Christmas tree on top of his car. Look at him, the hot rod. He's going to jump that ramp. We got a race going on here. Fortunately, the reindeer.
That's actually Clark Griswold in that car.
That's Clark Griswold in the. And look at all this. That's one with the skis and the plow and the reindeer. We got one on a sled back here with the gas pump and the snowman. Pretty darn cool. I don't quite understand the big elf thing, but maybe it's just a statue for the town. I don't know.
Maybe he pumps the gas.
Maybe. I don't know. Could be.
He might be the mechanic.
All right.
It kind of looks a little bit like.
So there it is. Day number 4. Hot Wheels Advent Calendar. Hope you guys liked it.